I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Camry spoiler. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm socket wrench, a trim removal tool, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a well-lit and clean area to work in, and consider placing painter's tape around the spoiler's base to protect your car's paint from accidental scratches during the process. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth removal. Next, open your trunk to access the spoiler's mounting points. You'll need to carefully remove the trunk liner, which is usually held in place by several plastic clips. Use a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips out. Once the liner is removed, you will see the bolts, often 10mm, and any wiring for the spoiler's brake light or other functions. Now it's time to detach the spoiler. Use your 10mm socket wrench to unscrew all the bolts you located. Be careful not to drop them into the trunk cavity. If your spoiler has a brake light, disconnect the electrical connector. Many spoilers also use double-sided adhesive tape, so you might need a heat gun or a hairdryer to gently warm the adhesive, making it easier to separate. Then, carefully pry the spoiler away from the trunk lid. After the spoiler is removed, you'll likely have some adhesive residue left on your trunk lid. Use an automotive-safe adhesive remover and a soft cloth to clean this thoroughly, ensuring no damage to your paint. Once the surface is clean, reinstall your trunk liner and any trim panels you removed, securing all the clips and fasteners. Once everything is clean, you are all set. By the way, if you are looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.